problem I have is that my expression pedal takes the volume past the set endpoint, which should be that little yellow thing. When I go to the toe position, I end up back at full dB. Oddly enough, after the most recent calibration, it actually doesn't go to 11.8. It used to go to 12, and I've even seen, there it goes to 11.9, which that's also odd to me because that's pretty much maxed out. Like even if I toe press the switch and use it, still does volume. So what I would like to, I'm using the Engineering SP1, like the regular one, not like any weird stuff like the RGM or whatever. But what I would like to do is have the primary function set globally to volume. So I just mute, and then I can do volume swells in general, and then toe press into an auxiliary parameter control like delay time or oscillation time or whatever. And so I've got, this one was labeled 1, this jack was labeled 2, so I've got 1 going to 1 and 2 to 2. But so what I'll do is just kind of repeat what I've been doing. So I'll plug it in, because it says to plug in there first. I'll plug in here so I can read the pot correctly or whatever. And then I'll calibrate. Calibration, that's the settings that was shown in the video and in the manual, instead of expression 2 or whatever for the toe press. Calibration, sweep with foot until it goes smoothly, looks smoothly. Push the button, it goes to 2, push the button, it goes to 1. And I've just tried a bunch of whatever just to give it more data in the hopes that it would work. Then I press done. And then over here, and I've tried this on the computer, I'm on the iPad now, Bluetooth, like setting the endpoint to 0. The problem is when it goes past 0, I get tons of noise floor. So maybe this is the wrong parameter to program, I don't know, but, well, whatever. When I do it, like, I don't want to waste your time, but when I do it for myself, I do take care to actually end at exactly 0. But we'll get close enough. Click close. I've tried turning it off and back on. I've tried all kinds of stuff, but the toe press. Hey, now it's going to 12. Oh, no, it didn't. Well, whatever. When I did it on the computer, it would go to 12 every time. But it doesn't matter. I mean, the point is, I don't want to go past 0 dB. But the end result that I want is to just be able to mute here, volume swell in pretty much globally, toe press into some other parameter that I can set, in the program or whatever. Hope you guys are well. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Later.